Hello friends, welcome back to Texan, back with another video. This time I'm going to mount new HJG fog lights on my Vstrom 250SX. These are extra fog lamps. I have HJG Mini on both sides of my front view. I'm going to mount this on my crash guard from Bandidos pit stop. There are two bolts on the crash guard on the right and left side, and I'm going to mount fog lamp mounts on both the bolts, and then going to mount the HJG dual color fog lamps on top of that. Now I got this mount and lights from Off-Road, a shop in Trivandrum where they do bike accessories, bike fitments, and many bike related stuff like PBF and other things. Seems to be a good shop, big shop, and the behavior was good and the pricing was accessible. Many reviews in Google said that they were very expensive, but when I went there I find them one of the most cost effective value for money shop. They are good, and these are the mounts I got from Off-Road Trivandrum. It's near Perukada Varila area in Trivandrum. The shop is Fro. If you want to visit for your accessories, you can definitely visit. And then I purchased this. Each fog lamp was for around 800 rupees. It did not have the Liu branding, but looking at the quality, I find that it is a very good original HJG fog lamps. And these are Moto Genius brackets. The Moto Genius brackets are slightly expensive, 450 for both, but very good quality and really well built, and buffed up painting job, and it looks very nice. It came with all the accessories and like washers required with the screws and everything. And with this Moto Genius mount, it's very easy to mount this HJG fog lamp. And since I had wiring done for the first HJG fog lamp, an extra connection for these new fog lamps. An extra switch was brought from Off-Road Trivandrum. The extra switch was easily fitted on my Mototalk handlebar because it had an extra pipe. And the best thing about this Mototalk handlebar is, since it has an extra pipe, many of my accessories like action camera mounts and mobile mounts, and now the extra switch can easily be mounted, which cannot be done with the OEM handlebar. So these are the Moto Genius fog lamp mounts. I'll show you the HJG fog lights, 40 watt ones, really good quality and not very big in size as well. So good for my taste, because I don't like very big fog lamps. I like these sort of fog lamps which are of compact size. Projector ones looks nice. So now the fitting process will start, and we'll see what is happening. I'll just play music now. You can just watch the fitting process in the video. എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നതൊരു 30-40 ചെറുതാണ്. മിനി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സാധനം. മിനി
दादा मुझे गेले
fitting is completed. I took my bike home, and this is how it looks. Two HJG minis on both sides of the wheel, front wheel, and these are the HJG two projector lamps, yellow and white, on the crash cart sides. The mounts seems to be fine. Everything seems to be in symmetry, looking nice and powerful. And nighttime I'm going to test it and see how good it turns out to be. Very happy with it. These are the two switches. On the right is the HJG mini switch, and on the left is the new fog lamp switch. So everything done neat by Check and Go. I always thank Dinesh Etan, and I know he's going to do a good job. So the vehicle is ready. I fitted two like grip covers as well on the bike so that my hands feel more relaxed as well. So yeah, these are the lights on daytime, and we will see how this turns out to be nighttime. Now I think I'm going to turn it to yellow and show you morning time how this is going to look like. These are yellow. Looks nice, powerful. Looks like a team, you know, like two HJG minis, two HJG dual projector fog lights, looking nice and good. So let's see how this is at the night time. So this is the nighttime video, just basic headlamp right now, not bright, just the dim from Suzuki dim headlamps. Now I'm going to switch to fog lamps. This is the HJG mini one. So mini started, HJG mini yellow. I'm going to switch on the dual fog lamps yellow version. I think it's going to be really powerful. Yeah, I switched on the yellow version, dual fog lamps plus mini plus the headlight. Now turned it off. Just the dual fog lamps. Turn both off. Okay, turned on the HJG dual fog lamps. Now the mini is also turned on. So now HJG mini, HJG dual fog lamps, and the headlight. We'll have a look now and see how it is. See, very powerful, very, very powerful. Good for foggy conditions. You can easily drive through. Now I'm going to turn that off, the yellow ones off, and we'll switch to the white ones. So this is the basic dim filament, the Suzuki headlamp. Now this is the bright one from Suzuki, bright headlamps only. So let me turn on the HJG mini. So yeah, now the mini is turned on. Now I've turned on the dual HJG fog lamps, white one. So now yeah, turned on and turned off. So now the four lights, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, mini plus HJG dual fog lamps together with the headlights on bright. So this is the most powerful. Headlight is at brightest, HJG mini white and HJG dual projector ones white. So very, very powerful. You can see how much of clearance it is giving. It's in a narrow alley. This now I will show you in a road video how powerful this is, but for the time being, in this alleyway of my house, look at the power, look at the punch, look at the, see both lights off, just the headlamp. Very powerful fog lamps from HJG. Really happy about it. I will leave the link in the description, fellas. Have a look, take care, thanks for watching, bye bye.